Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Blue Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market for next Monday to Friday. That means for the next week, and it's a technical analysis. We are going to break down the market support, resistance, and trend line analysis. Okay, as per here, you can see there is a last week analysis. That means last weekly analysis, which we uploaded on last Saturday or Sunday. And as you can see there, that entry successfully hit our all TP. Okay, that just touch our entry point, and again it's just trying to go up, and at that point it just hit our TP, and last week entry successfully made a big profit. Okay, and as you know that there is a lot of conclusion, that means a lot of geopolitical issues around the world, and Donald Trump also applied 25% tax, or Donald Trump just want to add 25% tax on Apple because of they are manufacturing their product on India. And Donald Trump says if they are not move their manufacturing plant to US, they will add 25% tax. Okay, so let's get back into the market, and as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we have to start our analyzing from the weekly, then daily, then in H4 and H1 we will find out our entry. As you can see there, market is on strong bullish momentum from the last few months, and our last week candle also closed with big bullish, that means big bullish, and this is the current market condition. And if I want to go daily time frame, and if I try to find out last 5 days, that means last week market direction, as you can see there was one red candle, that means bearish candle, and 4 of them is bullish. That means market was closed bullish for the last week, and we have to check our all-time high zone, also resistance zone. If I want to draw our resistance zone, it's around that area, and our all-time high zone is near around 3500. Okay, and if I want to find out our direction or find out our entry, we have to open H4 or H1 time frame. As per you can see there is our latest daily time frame resistance area. So let me delete that for now, and if I want to draw trend line from that particular area to that particular area, okay, and as you can see there is a lot of support and resistance zone, and we will find out our entry or we will find out our direction. So we have to draw our support, resistance, and trend line zone where we need. Okay, and as you can see there, if you think simply in the trend line analysis section, as you can see there, in that point market just make a breakout. That means this particular area market touch this support resistance trend line, and again it's just trying to go down, but it's unable to go down, and it's trying to go up, and in that particular area it just crossed the trend line, and that means this is going more upper, or this is going to create more upper or more bullish movement. Okay, and as per our trend line analysis, you may know that if our trend line breaks, that means if your trend line breaks, it will have a pullback, then we will take the buy entry around the pullback zone, and then it will go up as per our trading style or as per our analysis style. So what we need to do, we need to analyze the market based on pullback trading strategy. So let's get back H1 time frame to get our proper direction or to get our proper path of the market. If I want to draw another support area, okay, as you can see there, this support area is also a strong support area. Previously there is lot of support, or lot of time it just touched that support area, and it just trying to make market direction, or each and every time it just, as you can see that there is a breakout, again go sell, and there is upper, it's just trying to go up, and there was a fake breakout, again a fake breakout, again it just make a breakout pullback. And if we want to, let me make it little bit smaller, that means H4 time frame. If I want to make it little bit smaller, and if we want to draw latest all-time high to latest lower area, as you can see there. This one is our latest higher zone and lower zone also. Let me draw it. As you can see there, our most important Fibonacci 0.618 is also near 3314 zone. So this is a very important area, and if we want to take a entry around this particular area, as you can see there, there is also our trend line zone, important area, and support zone in important area. Okay, if I want to draw another support if I want to draw another trend line, that means support trend line, you will see there will be, let me make it H1, you will see there will be one more trend line support area in that particular area. Okay, let me make it trend line, and as you can see there is another trend line area in H1 time frame. Okay, let me remove unnecessary drawing so the chart will be more clear for now. As you can see there is a X zone, that means cross zone, this particular area, around this particular area. So we can wait for a pullback. We can wait for a pullback, and again we will take our buy entry around that area, then it will go fly. As you can see there is a trend line confirmation, there is support zone confirmation, and there was a Fibonacci confirmation also. So let me redo all of them. So if you want to take proper entry in this particular area, we have to wait till this particular area, that means pullback area. So our first TP can be there, and if you want to take more, you can take till there. Okay, so for safe zone we will wait till this particular area. Okay, and our SL should be below this latest support area. Okay, this latest support area. So as you can see there, this latest support area, so there is 1:2 risk reward ratio, so you may take this entry. And if I want to clear that thing, our entry zone is around 3320 and our SL zone is 3276. That means there is almost more than 300 pips SL. And if you want to see the TP, this TP is 2x bigger than the SL. That means there is risk ratio is 1 and reward ratio is 2. That means 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, this is for long investor or long trader. If I want to go for scalper, if you have big equity, then you can go for this entry. Let me take a screenshot for now. Okay, if you want to take scalping entry, so let's remove all of the drawing and let's make it my favorite M15 or M13 time frame. Okay, as you can see there is M15 time frame analysis, and if we want to, let me start with M13. If we want to start with M13 time frame, so we have to follow this direction. Okay, let me make it perfect first. Okay, there is another trend line. Okay, let me make it perfect first. Okay, if I want to draw support and resistance zone, as you can see there, this particular area is also a support zone, and our latest resistance area is around there. So for 15-minute time frame or 13-minute time frame, if you want to trade, you may take your buy entry after pullback around that particular area, and your TP will be that. That means first TP will be that particular area and second TP will be that particular area. Okay, your SL should be then less, that means less than previous, because there is less TP, less SL. Okay, this is for a small investor. You may take a screenshot, and we are getting, or we are updating lots time in our Telegram channel. You may know that there is a lot of sudden geopolitical issue happening around the world, so you have to keep your eyes on geopolitical issues also. So you may keep update on our Telegram, into our Telegram channel also, so you may make good profit with us. So I hope you will make big profit for the next week. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned.